The main plan is to basically just get this out of here and get it moved over to where my stash of logs is, because obviously you can't mill here anyway. Sawmill, it's super heavy. The power head is the heaviest part, so I pretty much have to move the power head in one piece. Kind of more worried about my sled than I am the mill at this point. Definitely crushing the sled. I'm gonna pull the little feet off, make it a little lighter and make it easier to move. I think I'll probably have to make 2 trips. Can't get any more on that trailer, so I'd like to move this track in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I gotta get it out of here first.